Hi everyone, it's Rena. If you're probably wondering why my mouth isn't working, I'm just in the process of setting up the Magic Mirror. So I'm basically going to try this software out once again, and we're going to play it with it in a game. We're going to test out its typing features, because when you type, it should show, like you can see there, my fingers. I'm just going to bring my character over here. You can see little butterflies kind of coming out from my fingers. I could also do it where there is light. I guess I wrote wave without really trying. Did I write? Did I write high? I don't know what I typed out. That was weird. I know this thing has like software for. Sorry, I'm just shaking out my keyboard. Something fell in it. I know it has something for words that you type out. Anyway, so we're gonna just check out the settings. So I put it on high power mode. Let's see if it's tracking with my camera. Turn off external tracking. Do you want to turn off external tracking? Press OK to enable. Yes. All right. So now my mouth is moving. We have it synchronizing with my mouth. I think my face is kind of permanently stuck with smiling. Let me see if I can change the settings on that. Face. Yeah, so this is where I changed the settings here. I don't know, man. This is why I kind of prefer using VSeeFace more than VMagic Mirror. The concept of this is really cool. That you kind of have like a presentation mode. You can see where my mouse is going, hence why my hand's like that. And then you can see my other hand getting ready to type. But the tracking for facial expressions is kind of odd. I guess they're just set to numbers for facial expressions, so you can still create your own, but I mean, like, it's kind of annoying to have to be like, what the hell was that? Apparently this is bi. Great job. Let's wave. Anyways, we're gonna try out. Clearly it's just not showing like facial expressions. I think it works better if you are actually using like something with like an iPhone, that you have like detailed facial expressions. Other than that, it doesn't really show you too much. It's an interesting software. Alright, anyways, so we're gonna just test out some of the other features that I didn't really talk about too much. Let's open up a game then to test out its typing features. Okay, I warn you now, I suck at typing. I really do suck at typing. So this game is called Type to Continue. It's completely a typing-based game. I assume it's a scary game, to be honest. It's October. We gotta play some scary games, okay? Okay, let's try this. So you literally have to type out. You'll notice that I actually have to look down to type because I kind of suck. And besides, I am trying to focus on what the hell is going on. Oh, okay, yeah, so we're doing this, okay. I like the music. Let me just rearrange myself here. Right. Arrows. WASD. Oh. I don't know how I feel about that. Alexi Echo. Alexi Echo. Oh, okay. It's not our room. Nope. Lucy. Luca. feel so nervous all of a sudden. Is that ours? Nope. Noah. If you wanted your kids to learn how to type fast, make them play a game like this. No? We're not going to talk about that one? Okay. It's weird, so when I play games with WSD, I want to put my pinky over the shift button, but then you have to type, so then I have to move my hand back to... Oh, this is weird. My brain is like, why are you doing this? Gale. Flee. My brain doesn't understand. No computing. Can we go there? No? No, we're not gonna... Excuse me? Hello? Our fun music has just stopped. Liam? Liam... Charlotte Bedult. Charlotte... Oh god. Bedult. Okay. 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 Someone running behind me. Nope. Not doing it. Nope. Oh. Someone was coming behind me, but I just, you know... What button is that? Enter? I guess we died. Okay, we'll try this one more time. Type. It's interesting. Wait, did I take off? Hold on. Let me check. Did I take off that setting of butterfly? Yes, I did. Okay, now let's make this look pretty. Type to continue. There we go. So now you can see all the mistakes I make. Okay. Arrows. PSD. Uh-huh. I still don't like this. I was like, I'm not looking behind me. We only made to block one. Okay, so the names change. Berlin Cardinal. I was typing too fast. Yep. The names are different. Amelia of the Plague. Oops. Plagued. Okay. Olivia Smith. Oh, whoops. Smith. Okay, got it. Jackson. Oops. Nope, we're not stopping this time. Is there a sprint button? Is there a sprint? Oh god. No. Sling! Go! Woo! No. Banner! Keep going. Oh my god. The intense. I don't like typing in pressure. MAUDE CUX and fuck. Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty much what the game is about. You just have to see how fast you can type in pressure, and yeah. So that was very intense. My hands are sweaty. You can give it a shot and see how far you can get it. I'm not going very far with this one. That's pretty much it. I'm done. We're out.